This channel generates at least $2,000 a month. It has only uploaded 10 videos, and this one is making the same amount, and they have uploaded 14 videos. And this channel is probably generating more than $3,000 a month with just 28 videos. These 3 channels are only 1 year old. Making a similar channel like this is super easy. And the crazy thing is, you don't have to spend a single dollar for it. Using free sources, we can easily create a channel like this. So, for those who are struggling with no money to invest in a YouTube channel, this video is for you. I'm going to go through every single step and show you exactly how to make a successful YouTube channel under this niche. This channel is called Project Meliora, has this one video that completely changed the game. This single video has gotten 4.9 million views within just 6 months. And that's how this channel racked up around 46,000 subscribers. If you take a look at this channel, they also have 2 videos that have gone viral and gained around 500,000 views. This third channel also features a video that went viral, gaining around 700,000 views within just 3 months. So what I wanted to say was, you only need one good video to gain thousands of subscribers. Until that video comes out, you need to keep uploading. So this niche is basically about self-improvement. But it's not just a typical self-improvement or motivational niche. Just to get a clear idea about this niche, I'm going to play a video I created using free tools.
Every time you hit snooze, scroll TikTok for inspo, or wait for the right moment. You just stabbed your dream in the throat, and the worst part, you call it self-care. You think you're chasing something big, but what you're really doing is stalling. Convincing yourself that planning, researching, overthinking is progress. It's not.
The first step is channel branding. Now, even though these channels are in the same niche, they are different from each other. Their logos, thumbnail styles are unique from each other, so you also need to find a unique theme for this niche. You can go with a minimalist style, an anime style, a stoic style, dark and red theme. Anything that you prefer, I'm just going to go with black and white minimalist style. Now, I have created some prompts to generate names and logos using ChatGPT. This is not going to cost you any money. You can do this for free with ChatGPT. These are the names I generated, and I also generated a small description for this new channel with some keywords under this niche. And these 2 are super easy. The important part is the logo. As I mentioned earlier, I selected black and white minimalist category, so this prompt is based on that. But I also have added prompts for several themes. These are the example logos I created for other themes, so it's up to you guys to select a theme you like. After this process, let's go to the channel creation. Now, this is the part where 99% of new YouTubers do wrong. Do you know how many new channels are created daily? It's around 100,000 new channels. YouTube algorithm keeps changing. Now, as soon as you create a new channel, the YouTube algorithm is going to identify that channel as a bot. Therefore, first thing you should do is show an algorithm that you are not a bot. So how to do it? For that, you need an old Google account that hasn't been used to create any YouTube channel, or you need to warm up your new Google account for at least 3 weeks. Use that new account to watch videos, like and subscribe, and keep it active. If you didn't do this and start to upload videos as soon as you create your new email and YouTube channel, your channel will get shadow banned and you can't do anything about it. Okay, now let's start the video creation process. If you check these videos on these channels, you will see that they are using clips from movies and anime shows, and you might be thinking, isn't that a copyright violation? Actually, no. Under some conditions, you can use movie clips for your videos. Each clip should be under 2 seconds, and you can't just use raw footage. Those have to be edited. I'm going to show exactly how to use movie clips in your videos without getting copyright issues. Before that, we need to find video ideas and create a video script for those ideas. This is the prompt that I'm going to use to generate some video ideas. This is not just a prompt. I have carefully analyzed these channels and created this prompt specifically to create video ideas for this niche. And you just need to enter a number of topics you want, and you can easily generate video topics like these within just seconds. Now I have another prompt that you can use to create unique and creative scripts for any of these topics. You just need to insert the video topic like this and generate. I selected this topic, which is how to kill your dreams in 2 minutes, and as you can see here, our video script is ready. This script is so good that it starts with a good hook, and throughout the whole script, it doesn't get boring. So I'm going to use this script without changing anything. Now, we need to generate voiceovers for this script. I found a new AI tool that you can use for voice generation, and they have a free plan as well. The name of this AI is Fish Audio. This tool is one of the best AI tools that you can use for AI voice generation. It has amazing AI voices, and it's more cost-effective than other AI voice tools. You can use the link in the description to sign up for this AI tool. As you can see here, their premium package is $10 a month, and it's actually worth more than 11 labs in terms of cost and credits. Their free plan gives you 1 hour of free voice generation a month, so you can try this tool for free at first. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. Now go to this discovery page and you will be able to find all sorts of AI voices for your videos. As you can see here, we have the voice clones of famous people like Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and cartoon characters like SpongeBob and more. Once you select a suitable AI voice for your channel, click this Use Voice option. Then you will come to this page. Now you need to enter the script here. I'm going to paste a part of our script. We have 3 voice generative models, version 1.5, 1.6, and this new version called S1. Let's try these 3 and select the best model for video.
Every time you hit snooze, scroll TikTok for inspo, or wait for the right moment, you just stabbed your dream in the throat. And the worst part? You call it self-care.
Okay, let's try version 1.6 and check the quality.
Every time you hit snooze, scroll TikTok for inspo, or wait for the right moment, you just stabbed your dream in the throat. And the worst part? You call it self-care.
Now this is what I'm talking about. This version gives more energy to the voice. Now let's check the latest model.
Every time you hit snooze, scroll TikTok for inspo, or wait for the right moment, you just stabbed your dream in the throat. And the worst part? You call it self-care.
This is better than the previous model. The voice is super realistic and it has more emotions as well. So this is really good for our niche, because we can't just use a robotic voice in the self-improvement niche. The voice itself should be inspiring. So let's use the S1 model and generate voiceover for the whole script. And guys, this S1 model is amazing. As an example, I have added this small dialogue to this and inserted some emotions inside the brackets. The first one is angry, the second one is shouting, and let's see how these emotions is going to change the final output.
What the hell are you doing? I've told you 1,000,000 times. Why won't you listen?
Just like that, you can change the emotions and make your voiceover better. As an example, let's make this sad instead of angry. And I'm going to change the other 2 brackets into sobbing and calm, and let's see the output.
Can you tell me what are you doing? I've told you 1,000,000 times. Why won't you listen?
This is amazing. So when you are making the voiceover for your script, you can use these features and make it more realistic. They also have this voice cloning feature where you can clone your voice and use it on your videos. You can get this AI tool from the link in the description. And now let's move on to the visual creation and video editing process. For the visuals, we are going to combine stock videos and movie clips. In order to download stock videos, you can use websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Vecteezy. All the videos from these websites are copyright free. And for the movie clips, I found this website called Yarn. This website has a lot of movie clips. You can search for any scene and download those. And it's free, so download all the stock videos and movie clips necessary for your video script using these websites. When it comes to editing, you know that CapCut is not free anymore, so we are not going to use it. So the best solution is the Canva free version. So I'm going to use Canva to make the final edit of this video today. First, you need to search for a YouTube video in the search bar, then select the blank landscape template. Now this is going to be our editing dashboard. Go to the Uploads feature and upload all the voiceover files and video clips to this. Now make sure to increase the duration of this layer by dragging it towards the end, and make sure to match it with the voiceover's duration. Then you need to drag and drop the voiceover file to the timeline like this. Then you need to add the video clips in the correct order to match the video script. Make sure to keep the movie clips under 2 seconds. Don't exceed this limit. So if you want to cut a clip, you can do that by pressing the S key on the keyboard. Just like this, add all the video clips and complete the timeline. Now, you can add subtitles with different fonts. Go to the text and add a text layer like this. Now I'm going to add 3 different text layers with 3 different words, and each layer is going to have a different font. I'm going to make this layer white. Let's change its font to something like this. And let's duplicate this text layer and change its text and font as well. By doing this, we are making this video more interesting and cool. So once you add all the layers, you need to edit its appearance. You can do that by selecting that specific text layer and changing it through the timeline like this. Make sure to match the wording with the voiceover. Then, you can repeat the same process with other parts of the video and complete the full video. Finally, you can use YouTube Audio Library to download some dramatic music and use that music in your video. Then, you can download the video by clicking this share button and selecting this download option. That's all. For the thumbnail creation, you can use the Canva free version as well. When it comes to creating the thumbnail, it should match the theme of your channel. So in this case, we selected a black and white minimalist look for this new channel, so the thumbnail should be black and white as well. I'm going to go to this element and select this shape layer, and let's add it to the surface. Now make sure to make it bigger and resize it to fit the surface area, and let's make it black. Now I'm going to add a text layer, and let's add a part of our video's title like this, and let's change its font to something like this to stand out more. Now, I'm going to download an image from the movie called Fight Club from Google, and I'm going to upload it to Canva like we did before. Then let's add this image and place it here. And let's add another shape layer, and I'm going to make it black. And let's cover the eyes of this character with this new layer. And that's it. This is going to be the thumbnail of our first video. Okay guys, with that, today's video is about to end. I hope you learned some valuable information for your YouTube journey from this video. So, I wish you the best of luck.